Alright, good morning guys. So this is just an update of the performance ng strategies natin for the month of April and titingnan natin kung bakit very important ang mag-diversify ng funds and i-review din natin kung paano to igawin on this video. If you are following this page, kindly follow and subscribe to this page para makakuha ka ng mga live updates. Game! Alright, so re-reviewin natin ang monthly performance ng mga copy trading natin and of course shadow technique as well on this video. And i-explain ko din dito yung different type ng strategy and risk profile and their performance this year, especially the month of April, which is alam natin napakahirap and ang daming actually na sunog from other communities on this and what we can learn from this as well. So if you're ready, let's go. Alright, so if you all notice, meron tayong different strategy and different risk profile. Ginawan ko siya ng summary and i-update ko kayo for this every month. Alright, so may mga different copy trading strategies tayo. Let's start with, of course, the Izanagi 6 pairs. It's composed of 6 pairs trading the Izanagi trading system and the odd cut strategy. Of course, and meron din tayong Didikila and the Financial Freedom Fund. The only difference lang na mga ito, it's of course, robot yung first three and tao ay nagtitrade nitong sa Financial Freedom Fund. Of course, our partner si Coach Lloyd. And the risk profile was also different of its approach. Of course, alam naman natin si Izanagi is very low risk because it's already 5 years of performance. And OddCAD is 1 year. Didikila is 1 year 6 months. Financial Freedom Fund is almost 1 year as well. And Shadow Technique, of course, ito yung ginagamit natin yan for the past 4 years na strategy na as well. Okay, so ang difference lang din kasi nila is can you combine manual. Ang narrative kasi ni Izanagi, of course, while nag-automate ka, pwede mo kasi siyang sabayan. At the same time, pwede ka rin maging investor lang, no? So, pwede kang maging full-time investor and na wala kang ginagawa tapos siya nagtitrade for you. But at the same time, mas maganda kasi siya talaga kung aaralin mo kasi pwede mo siyang sabayan. That's the beauty about Izanagi. The odd cut strategy, it's the same thing with Izanagi, 6 pairs, but partially yes. So, ibig sabihin, pag graduate ka na kay Izanagi 6 pairs, pwede ka lumipat kay OddCAD. Okay? So, si Didikila naman is, of course, different yung style ng strategy niya. And the profile is high, means it can have high returns as well. So, di ka na dapat nagma-manual trade dito. Okay? So, Financial Freedom Fund is, since it's using a shadow technique, partially pwede kang mag-manual trading, but of course, dapat separate account, hindi mo haluin sa isang account. So, the question also here is, pwede ka ba maging full-time investor lang, meaning copy trader ka lang? Pwede po sa apat na yan. Alright? On your account. So, review natin yung performance ng the month of April. So, alam naman natin, of course, the nag-trigger ng very high volatility is OddCAD. If you've been following. So for the month of April, we impose a negative on Izanagi. So meaning nag-cut loss. And this cut loss is very significant because majority na naggumagamit or nag-trade ng OddCAD last month, unfortunately sa ibang community, nasunog po sila. And they incurred high drawdown as much as 70 or to 90%. But tayo, hindi tayo umabot actually historical, hindi tayo umabot ng more than 30% ng drawdown natin. And we exited as fast as we can. And as a fully automated na tinitingnan pa din ng traders in the community natin. Meaning, minomonitor pa din natin yan, imposed a negative 5.41%. So, yung OddCAD strategy, which is a fully automated, since napakaganda ng spread and the entries niya, when it early exit, same with the exit of the Izanagi 6 pairs, it imposed still a 1% pa din na profits. For Didikila, ito ang beauty ng naka-diversified ka. Didikila impose a very high performance of 6%. So, since it's trading a different pair during that time, tas nakasabay pa siya sa trend na niya, so nagkaroon siya ng profit ng 6.18%. For Financial Freedom Fund, napakaganda rin ng exit ni Sir Lloyd. So, it managed to impose a 4.63% 54%. So overall, napakaganda ng different copy trading natin, and still one of the longest copy trading strategies in the Philippines, lahat ng ito. So ito yung beauty ng minomonitor siya, and may backtesting strategy, and nag-forward test. So tinatawag itong strategy development. Talagang napaka-robust ng data ang ginagamit. So yan ang performance ng ating copy trading strategies, and of course, napakaganda rin na nagda-diversify ka. It's because kung meron ka nitong apat, no, what we can learn from this is, if example, Izanagi lang inilagyan mo this year, of course, negative 3.16% ka this year so far, no? Kung i-average natin. But if fully diversified ka this year, you are still 5.29% na gain this year kung meron ka nito lahat. And that's the beauty of full diversified ka as an investor. And ipinapairal mo ang strategy over emotions. No, napaka-importante po niyan as an investor, because and at the same time, no, the investor of the diversified ka, it's because kahit gaano kabagal ang isa at gaano kabilis ang isa, hindi mo pa din alam ang mangyayari sa market. And that's the reason why the beauty of diversifying your profits to other assets or to other performing assets is because during the times na hindi maganda ang isa, may isang magre-recover at isang magbubuhat ng performance na yon, which is in that case yung high risk pa, which is Didikila. But of course, pwede ring baliktad. Magbuhat sa iyo ng low risk over the long term, and the high risk can provide high risk as well. Mga high cut loss, no, na pwedeng mangyari. But it doesn't necessarily na maganda yung isa over the other because of this. Napakaganda pa rin nagda-diversify ka. Okay? So, third and last but not the least na gusto kong i-impose on this performance is this. Third and last but not the least is, of course, the more non-correlated yung strategies are, meaning the overall safer yung capital mo. So what does it mean? So kung magsa-start ka with odd-cut strategy, the next thing na dapat mong kunin is Didikila. Okay? Kung nag-start ka naman kay Financial Freedom Fund, the next thing na dapat mong kunin is Didikila. Or kung nag-start ka naman kay Didikila, the next thing na kukunin mo is, depende sa risk, pwedeng odd-cut, pwedeng Financial Freedom Fund, or Izanagi. Kasi itong si Didikila kasi impose a different strategy. Itong tatlo may similarity kasi sila, nag-iba lang yung approach. And napakaganda na if magko-combine ka, may isang Didikila ka, isa sa mga to, which is si Izanagi 6 pairs. Of course, mas maganda magsa-start ka sa low, then saka ka mag-expose sa high. So remember, the last part of this video is profits at the end of the year will not be real until they are protected. Hindi pa kasi tapos yung taon. So meaning pwede pa magbago ang situation from this 4 strategies shown in the chat box. Show in the table. Alright? So I hope you learned something on the video, and of course kung gusto mo mas malaking profits, mas maganda aralin mo siya by using the shadow technique, which is tuturuan ka ni robot paano mag-start. Actually dapat graduate na siya from Izanagi, then you go shadow kung gusto mas malaki. Kaya full manual, grabe din yung magiging profits mo dyan. Okay? Syempre, kung ikaw napipindot dyan and nag-aaral ka, start small but think big. Kasi ito po yung ginagamit ng strategy wherein we earn at least 6 digits a month on unrealized gain every month. Okay, using the shadow technique. Alright, so I hope this video helps. And kung gusto mo ng mga ganitong klaseng video, subscribe ka para mas una ka makakuha ng mga video monthly or even weekly magpo-post po ako. See you on the next video. Bye!